Hi, have you ever wondered how just a little bit of knowledge can transform life? Yesterday, I have a privilege of training a group of amazing rural women on financial literacy, and the experience was nothing short of inspiring. Today, I want to share with you what we discuss, the challenges they face, the powerful outcome that comes from our session. Well, financial literacy is not just about number, it's about empowerment. For many of these women, managing money is a daily struggle. Limited resources, no stable income, debts piling up, a little knowledge of saving or investment option. It is a tough reality, and I've gone through the same tough road. But yesterday's session was all about changing that perspective. During the training, I share my experience, the simple steps, and the proven formula on how I was able to solve this problem for myself and few other women. I focus on practical steps they can take, like budgeting with little they have, setting achievable savings goal, and understanding the power of small investment. We also talk about breaking free from debt traps and finding opportunity to generate income even with limited resources. Well, the energy in the room was incredible. At first, there was hesitation. Many of them shared their frustration and fear. But as we progress, I can see the spark in their eyes as they realize they had the power to take control of their finance. It was a moment of clarity for so many of them. The transformation was evident. By the end of the session, they were not just motivated, but they were equipped with tools and strategies to start making changes. See, as a woman empowerment coach, moments like this remind me of why I do what I do. Yesterday, after the session, I was overwhelmed by the heartfelt appreciation from my trainees. One of them said, I thought I was just stuck with no way out. But through your guidance, I realized I had the answer within me all along. I just need someone to help me see them. Another one said, I wish I had learned this earlier. It would have saved me from so many struggles. The most humble feedback came from an elderly woman saying, I can't help but wonder how different my life could have been if I have joined your class earlier. But I'm so grateful that I found you now. Hearing this was a humbling and rewarding. This session was a reminder of how knowledge truly is power. This woman now have a clear path towards financial independence and stability, and this is just the beginning of their journey. Hearing their stories of growth and confidence fill me with pride and gratitude. This is why I'm here to help women, especially from small towns and villages, uncover the greatness within them, to show them what's possible, and to empower them to create the life they have always dreamt of and the life that they have always deserved. To every rural woman out there who's still hesitating, let me tell you this: it's never too late to transform your life. Take the step, join the journey, unlock your potential, and see the magic unfold. You won't just thank yourself, you will also wonder why you waited so long. And to all my trainees, thank you for trusting me with your growth. Your success is my greatest reward. Thank you and see you soon. Bye now.